Okay, so just to go over the project, basically following the drawings, we have a baseboard and a line. So there's a 4-inch kick, and then that's it. It's kind of the first option we started. We did recess, and these panels we recess. Then you have a cap, metal cap on top, whatever color, and we were thinking to miter this box and then have another 1/4-inch panel on the back, because the casing of the window is only, I think it's a 1/4 inch or like 1/8 small. But then one of the other areas in the sales area is showing that there's a reveal, a 3/4 inch reveal. So the second option is we kind of did this. So we prepared, so now there's going to be like a nice reveal. So the baseboard is flush with the panels, and then we have like a 1-inch or 3/4 inch reveal. These panels are mitered, and then we have another reveal on top, again miter on top. So they're 3/4, and then we have another panel. Again, because of the windows, they're not this thick, they're actually only a 1/4 inch or 1/8. So we have a step. So from the back, from the window, you're going to see this part, which is going to be edge banded, and again it continues. We have just in line with this, the panels are attached to the wall with the reveal, so it goes all around. And now going to the desk, these wood panels are kind of going to the ceiling, and they're wall to wall. The only thing is we stepped 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the edge. This one, as we discussed, this is going to be painted wood pieces, so we can bend the MDF, the stone on top, the stone front panel. We just got to discuss this little detail, the reveal inside, and then the bottom detail, the reveal, we have it the same wood, and inside it's just laminated pieces. So the desk inside is laminated, and we got to discuss with the stone guy how we prepare this area. So this is all laminated. That's this desk, and then this one, again, I'm not sure why they had this 3/4 inch panels, but that's the divider. So all these cabinets are separate. Then we got to discuss about the stone, and they want some sort of access here. The benches, I kind of again follow the drawings, that's how they look. So they had this cutout, veneer, laminate, and then this is the wall that's kind of very confusing. So they want this glass flush with the baseboard. This is where they actually show this detail of the baseboard with the 1-inch reveal, and then they have this again. So this is a mirror, and this is some sort of glass that we built into the wall, but it's kind of ends here. So I'm not sure if this is some sort of special thing that's supposed to go here, what goes here. We have a question, how do we finish here? Do we just P-lam this? And then the top it says metal, like anything goes on here. So there's a lot of questions how to finish this area. The bench is pretty straightforward, and yeah, so just if we can talk tomorrow and just go over this, and if you guys have ideas or suggestions or modifications, maybe which way do we go, like this, or do we go like the drawings says, just recess it back, have it recessed. I'm not sure. I think it looks nicer with the reveal all around. It'll look much fancier than the TV. We also kind of need the size, and then we just do like a box inside, and all this stuff. Yeah, so let's talk tomorrow about this. Let's talk with the stone guys, and then we can meet with the client and go over all these details.